Shrit, Kyumi, icon, hands down, right hand up, students hold. I shall observe the tenets of Taekwondo. I shall respect the instructors and seniors. I shall never misuse Taekwondo. I shall be a champion of freedom and justice. I shall build a more peaceful world. Hands up. Now 5 tenets of Taekwondo: courtesy, integrity, perseverance, self-control, indomitable spirit. Jimmy. So in this session now we are going to practice 5 movements. Okay. The first movement is walking stance, outer forearm, outward block, and the second movement is walking stance, reverse punch. Third movement, walking stance, knife and fingertip thrust. Fifth movement, walking stance, back fist strike, and the fifth movement is sitting stance, side knife and strike. Okay. So these all are Dosan pattern basics. Okay. So before going to practice or before going to learn Dosan pattern, we have to practice these 5 main basic movements. Okay. Then we have to go for, or then we should go for practicing Dosan pattern. So before going to Dosan, we will finish this. Okay. In this session, we are going to learn only 5 movements. Okay. So let's start the first movement. The first movement is walking stance, outer forearm, outward block. Okay, Jubi. So here you can see. Okay. So first I will show you what is outer forearm, outward block. Okay. You just cross your hands. 1. Okay. So which hand you are using for block? That hand should be top of the other hand. So I am using my left hand for block. Okay. I am keeping top of the right hand, wrist to the wrist. Okay. And 2. Just block like this. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. Same by other hand. You can see if you open your palm. Okay, if you open your fist, so this palm should be facing that side. Okay, and then you close like this. This is called outer forearm, outer block. Same by other hand. Just 1, 2, 1, 2. So now we are going to show you alternate. Okay, see, you can see here 1, this is 2, 1, 2 directly. Now this hand 1, 2, 1, 2. Now I am going to show you. So see, I am showing you step by step. Okay, first what I am showing you, practice slowly. Okay, each technique 10 time or 15 time or 20 time. Okay, so later you go for 1 count, 1 technique. So I am going to show you 1 count, 1 block now. Just 1. Same by other hand. 1, 2. So this should not go away from your shoulder line. Okay. Now same block. Now I will show you in walking stance. Okay. What you should do? Take your right leg. Okay. Right leg in and left hand block. 1. Cross your hand, right left hand. Okay. 1. Okay. You can see 1. Right leg back and out of form block. 2. Okay. Jubi. Now left leg back. 1, 2. So this is called walking stance, outer forearm, outer block. Now I am going to show you moving forward, backward. Okay. See now, I am moving forward with the right leg front, right hand block. 1, 2, 3. Same backwards. 1, 2, 3. So when the leg is coming toward near to the other leg, by that time you have to cross your hands and block. Okay. So this is 1, 2. You can practice like this also. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. So this is outer forearm, outer block. You have to practice first. Okay. I hope you clear with this technique. So let's go for the second one. Second one is walking stance, reverse punch. Very easy, children. Okay, you can see Jubi. Okay, you have to keep opposite leg and opposite hand. You have to use opposite leg and opposite hand. So same walking stance, front middle punch only, but you have to use opposite leg and opposite hand. Right leg front and left hand punch. Go 1, slow. 1, 2, 1. See. This is 1. My hand is here, just relax. 2. 1, 2. Same backwards. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, breathe. 2. Jump. So this is called walking stance, reverse punch. Very easy, children. Okay. So I showed both like moving forward and backward also. Okay. You have to repeat. You have to do more repetitions. You have to work on this. Okay. Now we'll go for third one. Third one is walking stance, knife and fingertip thrust. So first we will show you what is fingertip thrust. Okay. Just one. See here. First I'll show you what is fingertip thrust. Just like one. Okay. Other hand. One. So we are showing this technique in standing position. Okay. So this application is to solar flux. So you can see here. So if the opponent is here, this is solar flux. Solar flux is a vital spot. Okay. Keep it in your mind. Solar flux is a vital spot of our body. Okay. If you press, see this attack is for solar flux. If you hit harder, this is for solar flux. Okay. You keep it in your mind. So what you should do? Many people open hand like this. No. You just see rotate one. Okay. See 1, 2 slowly. Don't do this. Okay. So 1 slowly. 2. Same other hand. When you do this, see when you do this, no, your elbow 1 and this hand here elbow support and your shoulder should, all things should be in a one line straight. So here once again one other hand now 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2. The same by walking stance. Now moving forward. Walking stance with the moving forward. Okay. 1, 2. 1 slow. 2. 1. See my hand. This is the 1. 1, 2. Backwards. 1 same. Okay. 1. This is 2. 1, 2. Jumping. Okay, children. I hope you clear with this. Okay. Same technique you have to use in walking stance. Okay. You want this thing, you have to repeat many times. Okay. So now we'll go for fourth one. Fourth one is walking stance, back fist strike. Jumping. First I will show you what is back fist strike. Okay. This is a front fist. This is a back fist. 1. So in back fist strike, hand will come from down. Okay, and down. 1. Don't do this. Relax. Just relax. 1, 2. See, this is my head. Okay. This is a temple. In this line, I have to keep this fist. 1, 2. Don't do this. I told you hand should not go away from your body line. Okay. 1, 2. 1, 2. Same by other hand. 1, 2. 1, 2. One hand, one technique. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jumping. Now same technique in walking stance. Okay, same in 2 counts. 1, left leg take in, moving forward. 2, 1, 2. 1, 2. Same, moving backward. 1, 2. 1, 2. Now moving forward, 1 count. 1, 2. Backwards. 1, 2. Jumping. So first you practice in 2 counts. All technique, okay? And later you can go for 1 count, 1 technique. Moving forward and backward. Okay? So this is 4th one. Now we'll go for 5th one. 5th one is sitting stance, side action strike. Very easy, children. Okay? Jumping. 1. See, first I will show you what is side action strike. Cross your hands. 1, 2. Now stand straight. 1, 2. Same this side now. 1, 2. 1. Take your left leg in. 1, 2. Sitting stance, side effect strike. Same. Take your leg in this side. Take right leg up. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. One count, one strike now. 1, 2. 1, 2. Jimmy. Okay, children. I hope you all clear with this 5 technique. Okay. So you practice slowly. So whatever I told, 2 count first. Later you can go for 1 count, 1 technique. All things moving forward and backward. Okay. So stay in home. Okay. All the best, children. So practice nicely. Take care. All the best. This time to cooling down exercise. Okay. So now let's start to cooling down. So first it comes here. Same. Okay. Last two whatever we did, same thing we'll repeat again. Hands on hip. Same thing for stretching. Okay. Put your palms down. Put it more down. Yeah. Okay. Now sit back. So last week we did this. You touch the toes and come back. No. So instead of that, what we will do like a swimming like this. Okay. And come back. 1. You can observe it. Yeah. Okay. Try to touch your chest to ground. 2. Yeah. Keep it back straight. 3. As possible, children. Okay. Keep it in your mind as possible. 4. The same you can do outside like this. Okay. 1. Yeah. 2. 3. 4. 5. So we are showing only 5 counts. Okay. You have to do 10 or 15. Okay. You can see. Ready? Hands like this. 1 this side. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. Okay. And join your legs. Take your leg in. We'll go for like in this position. We'll go for trunk twist. Ready? Touch 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. Same exercise again. Okay. So this should be 90-degree angle. Okay. Your knee and this heel should be a 90-degree angle. You have to make a 90-degree angle here. Everyone's ready? Same. 1, 2, 3. See the behind. 4, 5. Okay, very good. Okay. So I hope you clear with this. You do this 10 to 15 time. Okay, minimum you do 10 time. We are showing 5 we showed here 5 time. So I want you try minimum 10 time. If possible, 15 time. Okay. Okay, children. Okay, turn your left. Kneel your dresses. Check your belt. Okay. Turn the side. Chirit. Kingi. Icon. More step back. Both your classes icon. And both your classes icon. All the best, children. Practice nicely and stay in home and stay safe. Bye, children.